Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. What are we doing today?
A volcano.
A volcano! Okay, let's prep our materials. So we have our stuff. What color do you want to make your lava today?
Yellow, green, and red.
Yellow, green, and red. We're going to mix all those together?
Yep.
Interesting choice. Okay. So the instructions said you could add some color. Let's do some yellow. Green, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try some
And
green.
red.
And green.
And blue.
What?
Yeah.
No, let's calm down with the... You want blue too?
Yeah.
Okay.
After red.
After the red, okay. Do we have any red paint left? Yeah, we do. Okay. And blue. Let's see if this changes the chemical reaction or not. Are we out of blue paint? There we go, for some blue. Okay, and you said you wanted to add glitter too, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, what color glitter are we adding today, sir? The gold glitter?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nope, just one. All right, go sit.
But I said two.
All right, so some gold glitter. All right, pick another color then. What's the other color? Purple. Okay.
It's within space volcano.
It's a space volcano. I like it. I'm all about it. Oh, lots of purple glitter. All right, let's do this thing. All right, mix that up a little bit. Not too much because we don't want the paint to turn brown. Here, let's see. Okay, so we got our slurry.
Then put it in there.
Put it in here? Okay, so we're gonna put this mixture in here with our little scraper. Daddy doesn't think this is gonna work. All right, hold on. Scrape. Well, not yet.
But after that?
Yes, after this, then you're gonna put the vinegar in. Not yet. Ooh, wait for me. Nope. Oh God.
I'm only gonna hold.
Oh, you're just gonna hold it. Okay, that's a relief. No, not yet. Let's get all this stuff in there. Okay, now pour it in there and let's see what happens. Whoa!
Oh, I think this stuff didn't work.
I think it worked.
It didn't work because it's on the table.
Oh, it's okay to be on the table.
It's okay. We can clean it up. What do you think? Do you like your volcano? Wow.
Yeah.
That made a pretty big eruption, didn't it?
Yeah.
Do you see glitter and colors in your lava?
But not that much because it's not red.
It's not red?
Food coloring works.
Yeah, I know. What?
It's better to use food coloring.
It's better to use food coloring?
So let's do food coloring.
We need to do it again? Okay, let's see if we have enough vinegar to do it again. Okay, so we're back. We're going to try it again. Take two, right, Isaac? All right, here is a new bottle so we can see the reaction. Oh, did you want to put your glitter? What glitter are we using this time? Let's put our glitter in here this time. In here?
Green and orange.
Green and orange. Okay, cool. So we're going to do some orange. Cool. And some green. Okay, same as last time, buddy. We're going to pour this into that little bottle. Let's try to shake this. Hang on. Let's dissolve the glitter. Whoop. Put that down. And you use two hands. Nope, you can do it. Use two hands and pour it in the bottle.
Not
slowly.
too fast, just a little.
Yeah, there you go. You can hold it. Whoa.
You have lava
What
on
do you
your
think?
hand.
Do not
You're
shake
melting.
your hand. Let me get
You're
you.
melting.
I need to go wash my hands.
He's melting.
Hey, where'd you go? Oh, here. Oh, here, can you use paper towel? Okay, go stand back by your experiment and tell us what you think. What do you think? Was that pretty fun? Do you see glitter? What's your take on the project? Did you like combining the acids and the base to get a chemical reaction?
No.
No? Why not? What could we have done differently?
I got lava on here.
You got lava on your hand? Yeah, that was problematic, huh? So next time, maybe no lava on your hand, but it was still fun. All right, thumbs up. Was that a cool experiment?
Yep.
Okay.